After two strong days in the market in the Dow, notice that we had inverted hammer dojis right here at the T-line, stochastics curling back up. And remember, there's a very high probability trade ratio that if you see an inverted hammer and bullish confirmation the next day, there's probably about a 95% probability or greater that you're going to be starting an uptrend. And if you look at the full assessment of this chart, you can see this has been in a steady uptrend, sideways consolidation, and here's what told you it was starting back up into the trend, which more than likely will bring you right back up into this trend channel. And if that's the case, even though it might be a slow, steady uptrend, candlestick analysis will still be able to analyze which sectors are moving the strongest. This allows candlestick investors to make an accurate evaluation as to what's going on in a stock like Amazon. Notice our slow curve fry pan bottom. And then yesterday, look what it did. It gapped up through the resistance level, breaking out of this slow curve, telling us there was more upside. This is information that allows an investor to take immediate action without having to wait for any further confirmation, because it is confirming a pattern, that slow curve fry pan bottom, which allows the investor, whether buying the stock or buying options, to be buying at the appropriate time without having to hold through a kind of in lethargic or in a lethargic type trading range. The same candlestick analysis can be applied to individual stocks, which adds credibility that if you know the market is moving in a specific direction, and you start seeing signals such as, look at all the dojis sitting right here on the 50-day moving average on CIT. We recommended this because notice what we had right here. Again, an inverted hammer signal in the oversold condition, followed by a bullish confirmation of the signal as well as closing above the T-line. And then they gapped it up, telling us that this downward trend channel and the T-line have been breached. This makes for a high probability of being in wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Candlestick analysis also has very simple trend confirmation or trend analysis to tell you how long to stay in this. And right now we're going to just stay long as we stay above the T-line, telling us that wave 3 right here is probably going to be the same magnitude as this wave right here. This is not rocket science. This is just the evaluation of what happens to candlestick signals, or what candlestick signals tell is going on in human nature, which works the same way time after time. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.